Hello, namaste. Yeah, some people asked me to please make a video about our Spiritbalance Darkness Retreat Center here in Germany, in this beautiful area of Black Forest, in the middle of the Black Forest. And normally we have always one or two people staying with us, minimum, and sometimes we also have all rooms blocked, but right now we have a little gap until tomorrow somebody else arrives in the darkness retreat. We just have some guests so staying in the rooms right now, so I have the chance to show you around. So this house is very big. We cannot see that right now here on the video, but I go with you one time outside that you get a little bit an idea. So this here is the entry for the darkness retreats, and this house has 850 quadrat meters, and there's an entry going here down into the beautiful garden or inside the darkness retreat here. So this is our welcome area, and it's all in a beautiful nature. And the people really enjoy to come here, especially from the cities, because there are almost no cars coming up here, and we're really in a beautiful area of the Black Forest, where you can do beautiful walks, and there are waterfalls and so on. So then we go inside here into the entry, and there you see this is a darkness retreat entry that we already darkened everything here, that there's no light coming in. Also have a curtain and another door, of course. So we have a lot of doors in this corridor. So here at that area we have 6 rooms, and we also can close the corridor down into smaller pieces, like right now. Here is a door, and we just have then 2 rooms which can be completely dark, and the corridor is also dark. So the rooms I show you, of course. This is a very nice room. All rooms have a name. This is the room Lakshmi. Lakshmi stays for beautiful, happy energy and prosperity and easy vibration. So this room, all rooms have mosquito nets now, so that we also can have a window open during night, and they all get an eye mask, a beautiful, good eye mask, so that they can in the nighttime or during the daytime make some fresh air. I don't like the electricity fresh air, I like the real fresh air. Especially it's so mystic when you hear the sounds from the nature at night with the owls and things. That is really nice. Here's a sofa, a bed, and each room has storage room, of course, and each room has a place to sit and to hang some things, and has, of course, a shower and toilet. And these rooms are actually also, of course, completely dark. The windows are here covered with a very special way of darkness preparation. This is looking from the outside from the window. So it took us long to figure out that the rooms are really 100% dark. Also the corridor is 100% dark. In this room, Lakshmi room, we can also do in groups. We can have 2 people. The single retreats are mostly 1 person. And group retreats there have 2 people space. So this is a couch where people can also sleep on. Then there's the next room, which is a very nice room, Ganesha. Ganesha, he is the god who removes obstacles. Here you see is already the room prepared for 1 person, so it's a big bed. So you hear some bikes in the background because it's such a beautiful Black Forest area. Sometimes they travel with the bikes. and with their motorbikes, because they love this area. But there are also times where they don't come and where it's just too hot for them to come up here. So this is a seat, and each room also has, again, here the mosquito seat, the mosquito net. And this is the outlooking right now. Right now is summer when we do the video. At winter time there are no bikes coming, and sometimes even you cannot hear any car for a long time. So this is the view. Isn't it amazing? So of course a couple can sleep here, but also people who know each other. There's a nice cabinet, and of course again a toilet and a shower. So also here 2 people can sleep on. Then we go to the corridor. The corridor has here a handle, because in the darkness retreat groups I also call the group members out for meeting in the group room, which I show you later, and to feel which place they should go. They can hang around here. And it's also very good when people, when we bring them smoothies or food, that they can, that also my staff knows how to move forward to the rooms. So here's a 24-hour call. So that's a call on emergency if somebody gets a fear or something is happening, you know. So we are here in the house. There's always somebody here who answers this call. So you can press here and talk over speaker and say what you wish for. Here is the place also in the other corridor where we put the food, like we put the food and the smoothies here. So each room has a fixed table, so they know which rooms they have. This is Hanuman. So each room, has a table, so they know which place they have for their food. So I like this very, very much, this room, Hanuman. He is a god of the beautiful thinking, and transforming the ego into the heart chakra. He's a very beautiful, powerful energy against negativity. Of course, he is also a mosquito thing, and here you can look outside. It's so amazing. So many people stay after the retreat 1 or 2 days longer, and also before the retreat 1 or 2 days before, to really enjoy this energy here and to come along. So this is a couch, and this is a bed, and it's also possible to make this as a double room. Many people rent it single, but when we have groups, it's possible to have this room as a double room. Then here's a cabinet and a table to eat, and it's a nice window, and of course toilet and bathroom is here. And then we have a Krishna room. Krishna, he is a goddess of, he is a Vishnu energy, and he is a goddess of playfulness and transforming in a very nice way. Here right now 2 guests arrived already, but the room looks still very, they prepared it here for showing you, but you can see already 2 people are here, but they just made it for the video. Very nice. So there are 2 beds, and sometimes I put beds together or put it like this, so it's always as the people like. Here's the table, and of course the window, mosquito net, toilet, and a shower is of course also here, and a cabinet for leaving your things, and also a meditation chair is there as well. So this is Krishna. So this is the corridor again, you can see. And now we move to the next 2 rooms. One room is already occupied with a normal guest right now. She's not in the darkness, she's staying with us. It's Durga room. Durga is the goddess of power and strength. So this is really nice room. This is a single room. And we have here one beautiful couch, one table, one nice cabinet, and shower and toilet, of course, and a beautiful view. I also like this room very, very much. It's a nice room for single retreat. But also the groups sometimes stay in here. And then we have one more room, the Shiva. Shiva is the room of Shiva is the energy of destroying illusions, negativity, and so on. Also, one person is staying here with us, and he also prepared this room nicely for this video. Very nice, he did. So, this is the room, and it's a little smaller, and some people like it. It's people who say, oh, I don't want to have a big room because I might get dizzy, I might lose the feeling of where I am. And also what is very interesting with the rooms is that in olden days they did the darkness retreat in so-called kivas, or very small rooms, to really concentrate on the energy and don't wander around so much. So as smaller the room is, more concentrated the energy. So some people really like this very much. So this is the Shiva room. Here I'm thinking since long time to put maybe a double bed also, a higher, because this bed is also high. I think I might do that, so also two people could stay in that. Here is also a shower into it, and each room has their own sink. It's also very nice, and a table, of course. So this is now, you can see the corridor from far away, and again here are two doors which we can close, like one, and one more is coming here, so that this place is completely dark and also that people cannot hear us. So I make the light off. Then this is the 6 rooms we have, and then here is a little corridor, and this is really interesting, this corridor, because this is a nice place to sit when people come out of the darkness retreat. They love to sit here many times, and here's an oven, so in winter time they really enjoy. It's really, really nice. And here at that area I'm living with my family, and here is my office for my husband and me. And so it's really nice because we always feel very connected to the darkness retreat. We know what's going on, we feel the energy, so we're really in touch with the people, we are not far away. And actually this is a group room, so when people coming they can do single retreats with us, so they stay in the separate rooms. They do once a day a talk with me, my husband, or one of the darkness retreat consultants we have, like Maria, Sabine, or Stefan Berns. So then they can stay in the rooms. Some people even do silence retreats, and then there are people who do group retreats. So when they do group retreats, we bring them with eye masks 2 to 3 times a day to this beautiful room. And this room, I made the box on for you. It's now light because I made the windows open, but you can see there's nothing else inside. It's just an empty room, nice large empty room. So this is the place. And it's nice because we can sit on the floor, and we have a possibility to have a circle together and talk to each other. In my groups, actually, The sessions going on each time between half an hour and even 2 hours. So if they need to go to toilet, it's no problem. One of my staff members can bring them to the room quickly and bring them back. And it's also nice because the energy keeps concentrating. So once the talk is finished, or we're doing mantra chants and energy work, then they have time to be in their own rooms and they're digesting the vibration, and so they're not all the time together. And that is also possible for some people. They wish that they don't be always with the group. They can stay also in their rooms. So I invite them with the bell and ask them if they want to come. And some people want to come, and some people then also want to sometimes stay in their rooms. And that possibility, I always respect that, because very important that during the retreat there's enough space for the own experiences, even if we are in a group, especially if you're in a group. And this is a view from here. So you can see already and sense already the beautiful energy. And here's a fireplace, a Vedic fireplace. And yeah. So I have here something that's called the Om box. So there's always an Om chant. It's chanting here and vibrating to the room. And here, behind that door, there's my secret small meditation room where I keep all my energies, my power objects and stuff. So from that, it's very powerful, because this room is also energized. So, and that is very nice for the group room here. That from my personal spiritual energy work, also the people who come here can profit. So that is one area. This house has 3 levels. So there is a holiday flat, one area down, and a healing room. But there's right now a session going on, so I will make another video about that. And also the flat, it looks really, really nice. And then there are 2 separate rooms also, and a big seminar room and a temple room downstairs in the garden. So I will do about that also another separate video. So this is just the darkness retreat area here. We already had darkness retreats also on the level beyond, because sometimes we are completely full. So it can happen that all 6 rooms are full, and there are 2 more rooms where it's possible we can completely darken them and also let somebody in there. I will show that tomorrow. And that are very nice big rooms. It's like the first rooms I showed, like the Lakshmi room. Okay, so if you have questions, you can contact me, and I wish you all the best. Take care, and yeah, we're happy to support you if you have any questions about darkness retreats or this place. If anybody's interested to come or to rent this place, and we are also available on Skype for you. Take care. Namaste. Bye.